Hi, my dear little friends. Welcome to FinveStocks, Kids Finance. Today, I will be narrating the fourth story of RUPEE Tales from Zerodha by Karthik Rangappa. Let's begin. 1.5 stories. Characters in the story: Janaki, Tara, Kabira, Vishnu, Deviji. Story by Karthik Rangappa. Illustrations by Tarun Andrews. Tara, it's already 9:30 in the night. You should be in bed now, said Janaki. But Mama, you promised to read me this story, said Tara, holding the brand new storybook her mother had recently bought her. Tara, this is a long story. I will read you half the story tonight and the other half tomorrow, said Janaki. Tara frowned. Not fair, Mama. You promised to read me the whole story tonight. You need to sleep early. You've got school tomorrow. So, half the story tonight and the rest tomorrow, said Janaki firmly. Tara settled down in her comfortable bed and Janaki started reading out the story. The storybook was titled Nizam's Third Crown. Long time ago, far away from the princely state of Hyderabad, there lived a highly skilled goldsmith named Kabira. Despite his enormous talent, he struggled to find work. He was left with just 200 gold coins and he was soon running out of it. This had him very worried. One day, Kabira saw his friend Vishnu running hurriedly towards him. He was holding a scroll and looked very excited. As he approached Kabira, he shouted out in excitement, Kabira, Kabira, your good days are here, and handed him the scroll. It was a scroll issued by the Nizam of Hyderabad. Kabira read the entire message on the scroll. What is a scroll, Mama? A scroll is a rolled paper or a cloth, and it usually contains a message. The Nizam was fond of crowns. He had 2 beautiful crowns. He now wanted a third one. So he set out a competition, inviting goldsmiths from across the state to make the most beautiful crown. The winner of the competition was promised grains, money, land and other royal riches. Kabira's eyes glittered. I can win this competition, he said enthusiastically. I can craft the best looking crown. I just need to purchase the purest gold, emeralds, rubies and diamonds. I have about 200 gold coins to buy these and that should suffice. Suddenly, Vishnu looked very worried. Vishnu, what happened? You look like you've seen a ghost, said Kabira. Kabira, how will you take the crown to Hyderabad? I just realized you will have to carry the crown across the mighty Madhuvan forest, said Vishnu. Of course, I'm aware that I have to cross the Madhuvan to reach Hyderabad, said Kabira. Yes, that is the problem, said Vishnu. Dakku Mansingh, the notorious bandit, prowls in Madhuvan. He robs innocent travelers. He might just rob you of your crown. Mama, Dakku. It's just a story, Tara. Let me finish reading it. Did you know last month Abdul the silk merchant was carrying silk to Hyderabad? Unfortunately, Mansingh robbed him all of his silk. But Gopala was lucky. He was carrying precious stones and he managed to escape the watchful eyes of Mansingh, said Vishnu. Kabira was now extremely worried and said, You're right, Vishnu. I'll be doomed if Mansingh robs me. Alright, Tara, enough for today. You need to sleep now. No, Mama, a little more, please. Let us meet Deviji. She's a smart, rich, and a kind lady. I'm sure she will help me, said Kabira, looking hopeful. Deviji was the godmother of the village. When in trouble, everyone in the village approached her. Vishnu and Kabira immediately set out to meet Deviji. She patiently listened to Kabira's dilemma. After a long pause, she said, Mansingh is dangerous. He may have robbed many, but luckily a few have escaped. So there's a chance you might escape too. But Deviji, I will be spending 200 gold coins to make this regal crown. It is my entire life's earning. I cannot take the risk of being robbed, cried Kabira. Deviji thought for a while and said, Well, I can take the risk on your behalf. How is that possible, Deviji? How can you take that risk? Asked Kabira curiously. She explained, You pay me 20 gold coins now and I will insure you. Insure me? How does that work, Deviji? Asked Kabira. Deviji explained, Quite simple, Kabira. You pay me 20 gold coins now and you take the crown to the Nizam. On the way, if you get robbed, then you come back to me and I will give you 200 gold coins. And what if I don't get robbed? Asked Kabira. Then I keep the 20 gold coins as a reward for insuring you. After all, if you get robbed, I have promised to give you 200 gold coins, said Deviji. This sounds like a fair deal. I don't mind giving you 20 coins now and traveling without any worry, said Kabira, feeling relieved. At this point, half the story was done. Janaki firmly said, That's it for today, Tara. Sleep time now. But Tara wasn't one bit sleepy. She was in very chatty mood. So, Mama, is this insure thing real? She asked. Oh yes, Tara, this is called insurance in real life. There are people like Deviji from whom all of us buy insurance from, explained Janaki. What sort of insurance, Mama? Asked Tara. We have car insurance. Suppose something happens to a car, the car insurance people will give us the money to get it repaired, said Janaki. And if no damage happens? Asked Tara. Well, they get to keep the money that we pay them. Just like how Deviji got to keep the 20 gold coins, said Janaki. That's it? There's only car insurance? Asked Tara. No, we also have health insurance. If we get sick and have to be admitted in a hospital, the health insurance people will give us the money to get the necessary treatment, explained Janaki. Buying insurance is very important, Tara. It gives us additional money when we need it the most, said Janaki. So, Mama, only car and health insurance is available? Asked Tara curiously. No, Tara, there are many types of insurance like home insurance, life insurance, travel insurance and many more, said Janaki. Mama, is there insurance for my toys? Suppose something happens to my toys, will the toys insurance people give us money to buy new set of toys? Asked Tara. Aha, clever girl. There's no toy insurance. You have to sleep now. No more questions on insurance, said Janaki and switched off the bedroom lights. In the next video, we will narrate the story The Cake Shop, which is the 5th book from RUPEE Tales. Hope you have enjoyed the story. Please do like if you like the video and don't forget to subscribe to get the notifications of upcoming videos and Kids Finance. Please post your valuable comments. Do follow the channel for good learning about money matters. Thanks for watching and have a good day.